How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can redeem code for YouTube Premium. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you may just open up a browser or go to Google and search for youtube.com/redeem. After you're done searching for that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is, if you already have a code in order to redeem your gift card, you just need to enter your code on your screen. Right now I'm showing. So what you're going to do is just type your code here. After you're done typing your code, you just need to tap on next. After that, go on with some process and you should be able to receive a gift card from your code on your YouTube Premium. So therefore, just follow those method and you should be able to get you should be able to redeem your code on YouTube Premium very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.